now has accessed a viral audio clip, and this is of the slain gangster Vikas Dubey. He's heard here allegedly speaking to a constable who's named Rajiv Chaudhary, but in this clip, Vikas Dubey can be heard hurling abuses at the Deputy SP Devendra Mishra. In this conversation that has taken place while an FIR that was being launched against Vikas Dubey by the police on the 2nd of July. This is just hours before the encounter took place. So in this call, in this conversation, the gangster threatened that no policeman will be spared if the cop, while the cop tries to pacify him here on this. We have with us our correspondent getting us further details. Let's, before that, take a listen in to this audio clip.
तो हुआ क्या?
पुलिस हेलो
जी,
ये कोई फर्जी मुकदमा लिखवा रहा है बैठ के।
अच्छा
एक महिला से उन्हें खेत
जी
समझे।
जी
मुझे कसम है अगर तो खैर हाँ चाहे जिंदगी की फरारी करनी पड़े
जी
तो इतना बड़ा कांड करूंगा फिर भी जानेगा कि हाँ किसी से बाला पड़ा।
रुको, हमें एक बार पहुँच ले तो हमें बुला रहे हैं, हमें तो रुको।
आराम अगर पूरी चीज में मर गया
जी जी
तो खून काटूंगा इसके ऊपर तो जिंदगी जेल काटूंगा जीवन, लेकिन
जी
हाँ बता रहा हूँ आप विकास दुबे का शिकार होगा।
अरे
जब तक
हमें
मैं मार नहीं लूंगा तब तक नहीं लौटूंगा।
रुको तो हमें जाने दो, हमें जाने दो। हम
पहुंचो नहीं तो पता चला ना रास्ता फैलने वाला है।
अभी रुको तो आप हमें तो समझ दो, सब समझाएंगे हम।
बताता हूँ
ठीक भैया।
Our correspondent Alok is getting us further inputs here in how this audio clip would further help in investigations, and especially a report that needs to be submitted on this here as well. Alok, there is specifically a couple of names of officers that has been taken, also concerning the police officer that the gangster is speaking with. Evidently here indicates the kind of brazenness that the gangster had shown in this conversation, in abusing police officers, in threatening them, in warning them not to come to his home with that raid.
Well, yes, absolutely, Seher. And if you see, this audio clearly tells two things. One is that he is having a very deep nexus with the police officers, that those who are posted in that particular area. Remember that 68 police officers were already suspended and in fact sent to the district line. And two of the officers who were posted in that particular area were also arrested because they were allegedly informed Vikas Dubey that this raid is going to happen. If you see in this audio clip, if you hear this audio clip, in this audio clip, Vikas Dubey is calling one of the constable who is posted at the police station, and he himself is threatening that constable that if you people will come and try to arrest him, then he is going to kill all of the police officers, and he is taking the names as well. So this kind of stature this criminal had, and this kind of dominance in that particular area, in that police station he had, that he could easily call the police officers and he can threaten them at any time. And in fact, in this audio conversation, he is saying that if you people will come in the gypsy, no policeman will be saved, and all of them will be gunned down in the persons who will come in the gypsy. So this way that he is conducting, this way he had did this conversation. Definitely this will help in the investigation of the police, which the SIT and the other officers are conducting. As of now, many people have already been arrested who are associate, but some are still absconding.
Okay.
In the coming days, they will also be arrested. Back to you.
All right, so there could be more arrests based on this audio clip itself here, and the names that have been taken, particularly the person, the officer in conversation with the gangster here, actually trying to pacify him. Alok, thank you for getting us those inputs.